Hi friends, I'm doing something quite different for me today. I've decided to sing a song. There are a few reasons why I've decided to do this. One thing is that we're in lockdown again, and it's got me thinking about things that make me uncomfortable or things that I'm afraid of doing. So even though I used to be a singer about 20 years ago, a few years back I had a virus that sort of attacked my throat, and my voice now isn't what it used to be, but I still really love singing. And some of you have heard me sing a little bit and you've asked me to do more singing. Well, thank you very much, because that's sort of given me the courage to do this. And another thing is that I know a lot of people are feeling pretty low at the moment, and I want to be able to put things out into the world that are beautiful and uplifting. So I hope that you find this beautiful and uplifting. Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower, and you, it's only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance, and it's the dream afraid of waking that never takes the chance, and it's the one who won't be taken, who cannot seem to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too